In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a user in Pipedrive. If you're managing a sales team or collaborating with colleagues, knowing how to quickly add new users to your Pipedrive account is essential. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll be confident inviting new team members to your workspace. Let's start inside your Pipedrive dashboard. First, look to the top right corner of your screen for your profile icon. This is usually a small circle with either your initials or a picture. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. A drop-down menu will appear, and from that list, you'll want to select the option labeled Manage Users. This is the central place where you control who has access to your Pipedrive account and what they can do. Once you're on the Manage Users page, you'll see a list of existing users, if there are any. To add someone new, look for a green button that says Plus User. This button is typically located near the top of the page. Click on Plus User to start creating the invitation for your new team member. A window or panel will open where you can enter the details for the new user. The key piece of information you need here is the person's email address. Carefully type in the email address of the person you want to invite. It's a good idea to double-check the spelling because the invitation will be sent directly to this address, and a typo could prevent them from receiving it. After you've entered the email, you'll see an option to preview the invitation. Click on Preview. This lets you quickly review what the invitee will see in their email, so you can make sure everything looks correct before sending it out. If everything looks good and the email address is correct, go ahead and click Send Invitation. Pipedrive will now send an email invitation to that person. They'll need to open the email and follow the instructions to join your Pipedrive account. Until they accept, their status may show as pending in your user management area, so you can easily keep track of who has joined and who still needs to complete the process. That's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to add a user in Pipedrive.